Alright, so we're back.
Facebook Live didn't work.
So we decided to do a video.
That's right. And we'll just post the video and we'll answer any questions that you have. We just wanted to tell you what was going on with us, what we have happening, right?
Yes. So first of all, for those of you, because we had some questions, we're in California. We get the almonds shipped to us from Jamaica. There's people in Jamaica cracking the almonds, and my mom ships them here, and we make the oil right here in California. So I hope that answers your questions. And as you can see, we've taken over our sister garage.
Yeah.
This is our workshop. As we know, people do it a lot of times. Start a business in the garage, and next thing you know, they're out there. So hopefully that's the intentions we have. So, all right. You have anything you would like to say?
Yeah, of course. So, yeah, like Nigel said, we're here. We're in California. We've taken over my sister's garage. It's beautiful. We're enjoying our time with family and friends and just enjoying life, and still making the oil. We had some people that had some questions earlier today about how to use the oil, because we can't assume that everybody in the whole world knows.
As we go along, there's people who are just being introduced to it too. So, people are going to always be asking questions. Maybe the same questions over, but we have no problem in answering them. That's okay. That's what we're here for. We're here to, serve our customers. So
that's right.
Yeah.
So this is the oil, Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. And it's made from Jamaican almonds. You want to show them some Jamaican almonds?
Absolutely, I would love to.
Okay. And it's absolutely wonderful. What we do is we wild harvest the nuts.
You can see it. They're shaped different. They're much longer and slimmer than the regular almonds.
Take one out, babe.
I'm going to. I just want to show you guys, in the pack. Don't have it down here. You wonder, what is he getting for down there? He's trying to take our special one or something. I'll show you that. Okay, so here we go. Oops. You can see this one is about the same height as the regular almond, but the width, hold on, you can see it's much narrow on both sides and more slim, right? And it's much softer. It has a very nutty flavor, and it's much softer than the regular almonds. It's not so crunchy. Okay, so it will also be easier to digest. Yeah, because your digestive tract doesn't have to work that hard to get it out. And I just broke it, just showing you real quick. You can see the oil on my hand there, and it must be really soft for me to be able to just squeeze it like that and squeeze oil out of it. You couldn't squeeze a harder nut, like that to get oil out of it. You can see it's all over my finger there. So that's basically what we do. We dry the almonds first. We wild harvest them. Well, I'm not doing it anymore because, when I was in Jamaica, I was wild harvesting, but now I'm here. So all I do is press them, but it's the same process. So the wild harvest in Jamaica, they're dried in the sun for like 14 to 21 days, and then they're cracked by hand. After they're cracked, the nuts are sun cooked again. Then they're packaged and shipped to me, and then I does the rest of the process by first of all cleaning the nuts, selecting the nuts, the ones that I'm using to make the oil, because I don't use everything to make the oil. There is special types of nut that I go through by hand and select out that I use to make the oil. And then once the oil is pressed, it's cold pressed, then it's filtered. and that's a slow process also because it's all done by hand. Well, eventually in the future we'll have machines and stuff to do that, but right now, we're doing it by hand, which is, the natural way. So it's filtered and then bottled, labeled, caps, sealed, and packaged and ready to ship. All done by hand. So.
And it's wonderful for your skin, your hair. We have a neighbor, you might have seen when we were trying to go on live earlier. Our neighbor's wife had eczema pretty bad on her ring finger. She put it on her ring finger and it's slowly going away. And like Nigel said earlier, when things come about, it takes a while for them to come about, different ailments.
It's a slow process, whatever the illness is. If it's a fungus on the hand or whatever, it's a slow process before you actually see, the damage. So natural products, because natural products don't ease the pain as the regular over-the-counter medicine. Natural products go right to the root and get rid of the pain. It cures it. So it's a more slow process. You understand? So it takes more time than a regular product that you would buy, but it does work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So it's good for eczema. It's amazing for the skin. You might have seen me earlier. What I do every morning is I take a little, put it on the back of my hand, and then put it right underneath my eyes. And it helps prevent dark circles and those fine lines. They seem to be smoothing out.
When I met you, I told you I was going to make you something to reverse time. Remember that?
Yes.
Yeah,
well,
man.
I'm 80 now.
Okay. They say the older the moon, the brighter it shines.
All right.
Okay, so the properties of almond oil. Because you might be wondering, it does all that good stuff to the skin and all that.
For the hair too.
Yeah, for the skin and the hair. So, too. What's in it? Why does it work so, so good? So it works so good because of the properties that are in it. First, there is magnesium, there is zinc, there's vitamin E, there's vitamin B, all the vitamin B content from 1 to 12. What else?
Vitamin K, which helps with the dark circles.
Right.
Vitamin E, and has zinc, magnesium.
I said magnesium.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. So yeah, that's about it that it has, and I'm sure there's more because like the leaf from the tree is also antifungal. A lot of you might know or may not. This species of almonds, it's actually Indian almonds. So the leaves are sold as medicine for fish. What happened? People that has aquarium and stuff, they put the leaves in the fish tanks, and the medicine seep out of the leaves slowly. And if the fish have any kind of fungus or anything or damaged fin or anything, it helps to heal the fish. And then after the medicine seeps out of the leaf, maybe in a few days or so, the people that raise shrimp, they will take it out and put it in the shrimp tank, and that's food for shrimp. And in other cultures across the world, the root of the tree is used for other problems too, other illnesses. So the entire tree is, a medicinal plant.
So that's what we can tell you today about Jamaican almonds. And yes. Let's show them the almonds again. Let's put them out there.
Leave it up to you.
So these, again, are the Jamaican almonds. They're different from the American almonds.
As you can
And
see, the color is different, the shape is different, and the taste is different too.
they grow wild.
Yummy.
Okay. They're so good. All right. Well, thank you for being with us. Thank you for loving us. Thank you to our new customers for trying us. And we'll see you next time.
Until next time, love,
Love.
blessings.